Are you someone doing everything you can? Good food, good sleep, working hard, and yet finding a disconnect. A lot of people try everything, whatever is in their control. Yet they have a feeling of unexplained stress or anxiety or not feeling connected. The problem can be deeper than you ever imagined. If you want to break free and overcome this, reconnect with yourself with chakra balance and astrology. Join our workshop on the power of chakra balancing, astrology, and manifestation of abundance and growth and healing in your life. I'm S. Pooja, a healer, author, speaker, and entrepreneur to help you grow and heal through something they do not necessarily understand, but it affects them drastically. We have worked with 1,000+ clients in the past 10 years and helping them to grow and transform their lives. So if you're looking to achieve unobstructed growth, I invite you to join my workshop where you will learn the importance of chakras, the balancing of it, 3 practical steps of cleansing, balancing and enhancing, the significance of astrology, the planets, how it affects your life, the significance of your name and the date of birth in your growth. This is the GPS coordinates. It's already been written. The script has already been written. So we help you to find the root cause hindering your growth and progress. Click on the link below to register for my workshop if you want to transform your life.